Hey there guys, Lukio6 here, and today what I got here is another trash picked item. And this is not your average day Lasko purple cool colors box fan. This one was made in 2013 and it has the older Lasko logo to it. Yeah, my battery's starting to die, but yeah. I can't really show you the date because my battery's about to die, but it is because my battery's low, but it does say 2013. So, as usual, it's a trash picked item and it is nasty. The motor is blocked off with dust. Give me a sec. Yeah, my little voltage detector is a flashlight, but you can barely see it, but if I could focus. Yep, as you can see, there is dust blocking off the motor. And no, this is not... And no, it did not cause the thermal fuse in the motor to fail. It actually caused the plug in the thermal fuse in the plug to fail. And yeah, I cut the old plug and I tested it with a thermal fused plug to see if it'll run or not. But upon turning it on, the blade spun briefly and then it just switched off. So I've come to the conclusion that there's a bet that the motor on it has gone bad, as it immediately killed that thermal fused plug. So unfortunately, since it did in fact cause the thermal fuse in the plug to fail, this motor is failing and I'll have to completely replace it. I know it will not look I know it's not going to be original with a new motor and all, but it's better safe than sorry. So, yeah, and that's it. Peace, guys.